some heroines of the coast really, they had to be both mother and father, doctor and advisor, and they had to be there all the time long.
But my memories of the castle would be, I was out there some pretty bad nights, you could see the wind howling inside the sea. Unmerciful noise of the sea, and the dashing of the sea, and then the water falling as the wave passed you by. But there's great faith in the towers of the massive, beautiful structure. You were confined to it, but we always knew we were safe here.
My name is Brendan Garvey, and I joined Irish Lights in September 1951. Long time ago now. A young lad, 22 years old. I had been at various lighthouses as a supernumerary, learning the, shall we say, the trade. Kitty, my wife, was with me, newly married, from 1960 to 1964.
There were 3 of them born at the Lighthouse, and those 3 children, they look back with great love and laughter at what they used to be doing when they were there, like showing people up the lighthouse. So everybody was allowed to go up the tower, and they loved it.
Well, the typical day's work at a lighthouse was, firstly, we had to keep a watch. It was 4 hours on and 8 hours off, a 24-hour basis. Lighthouse keepers, their function was to give a service, which was maintain a light for navigation and also navigational aids. The flash was different to other lighthouses to identify the given station. There was also a fog signal, an explosive fog signal at Newped Lighthouse, which was a nuisance so far as we were concerned. Very hard to rear children when they were living at the lighthouse. When I came there in 1953, there was no electricity. And the main light on the lighthouse was vaporized paraffin oil. It was not as powerful as today's light at the lighthouse. But then as time went on, Irish Lights supplied engines for generating power for us.
Today, the old granite lighthouses are giving way to newer lighthouse designs. The first of these modern lighthouses is situated on the Kish Bank in Dublin Bay and was built in the early 1970s. The latest lighthouse to be built is a new stainless steel lighthouse at Roman Turret at the entrance to Castle Clare. Among its many innovative features is a new type of light source of highly efficient LED lights, run-off batteries which are charged by solar panels. With automation, the control of the lights has passed from lighthouse keepers to a central computer control centre at the Irish Lights headquarters.
Today, they're all automated. Newped was automated on the 18th of March 1991. I was the last keeper after 40 years service to leave the west coast of Ireland, which was
All right.
Checking the baby, you see, look what she does, checking the baby.
Is she looking forward to